Hey Team Creative Design, welcome back to What's Up Wednesday. Today I am doing my own nails with a set that I ordered from Amazon. It is a gel polish kit by Kastiny. It is 6+3, so you get 6 colors, guys, and you get a glossy top coat, a matte top coat, as well as your base. The LED lamp that I showed you at the beginning is a 48 watt LED lamp. You can have something that's actually not 48 watt for the gel polish. However, I got this because I also do the polygel or the gel foam nails at times. My nails are very brittle. I'm in the medical field, guys, and of course now everybody is washing their hands. We wash our hands all the time after the pandemic. So my hands stay very dry, my nails are brittle, and they are short, so don't judge me, but I do like to have a decent color on them. I usually don't put false nails on my hand unless I'm getting ready to go on vacation, or sometimes I'll do it at the beginning of spring and go through summer, and then I typically remove them. So I'm just showing you here all of the actual colors that came in and what I've chose. I filed my nails down here and prepped them. And guys, I'm just going to polish them and let you see how they came out. I am not an artist by any means. So guys, I can spread cream cheese on a bagel and not get it on neat. So don't judge me. I'm going to polish. But as you can see, the color going on here, this is just the base coat. And it actually gives them a very nice, clean, and sleek look. Just a nice natural shine. So I'm gonna do this, apply the colors, put some oil around my cuticles, and let you guys see how it actually turns out. Now, just for you guys, I did go ahead and use another color 2 weeks ago. I wanted to see how long the polish would last. I actually washed my hands. I did a treatment on my hair. I've been cleaning with chemicals, and it actually lasts, I think, about 10 days before it started to chip. So it did actually have a pretty long durability. This is the McCart heat lamp that the LED lamp I was talking about. It says that you can actually cure the polish for 30 to 60 seconds. I actually cure each coat 60 seconds, and then I redid it again for another 60 to make sure that it was well dried. This lamp also came from Amazon. It has 3 different settings: 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then you can do half the temp. It is censored, so you see as I remove my hand and put it back in the lamp, it comes back on. So like I said, I did each of these a total of 120 seconds just to make sure they were well dried before I applied the next coat. I did my base coat. I really only did 1 full set of the color. I didn't have to go back in a second time. And for this, I did the glossy top coat. The other thing I want to mention, guys, before I let you all just enjoy the process is, if you see there, it does come with 1 glitter color. It only gives you 1 option of a glitter color, but I think it's nice because, girls, sometimes we like to accent one of our nails with a glitter or something that gives it a little pop. I typically go plain for most of the time, but I am going to paint one hand with solid color. On the other hand, I'm going to accent a nail just so you all can see how the glitter does. It polished on perfectly, didn't clump. When it dried, I didn't have glitter brushing back off into my top coat. So I actually really like the set. I'm wearing it now, and it's maintaining its durability quite well. So guys, keep watching, enjoy. You'll see the end product, and I will post the links to all of the products in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get more of What's Up Wednesday content.